The Zebra DS8178 cordless healthcare scanner comes with two cradle options. There's a desk wall cradle and there's a presentation cradle. The desk wall cradle typically is used either resting on a horizontal surface or adhered using hook and loop strips that can be purchased from Zebra. The cradle can also be mounted vertically, as in a room that might have a computer in it, a patient room. Typically that's done in new wings where hospitals have new construction and they're putting the computers in patient rooms and they need the scanner to be with the computer, either with screws that go into these keyholes or, again, with hook and loop strips that can be purchased from Zebra. There are adjustments on the cradle so that the scanner, when hooked on a vertical position, won't fall out. It can also be mounted on a workstation in the vertical position as well. Both cradles have a paging button that works like your home phone. If the scanner is misplaced, the paging button can be pressed and you'll hear the scanner beep, be able to find it. The presentation cradle is called that because it can scan in presentation mode where the meds presented to the scanner, as well as in handheld mode for scanning a wristband, for example. The same button that's used to page the scanner, when the scanner is in the cradle, can be used to illuminate the nurse's work area so that she doesn't have to turn room lights on when patients are asleep and avoids disturbing them.